How capsicum is good for health. Capsicum uses, benefits, side effects. 6 proven health benefits of capsicum. I can be eaten. I am the color green. I am the color yellow. I'm crimson. You might also see me in orange from time to time. What could this brightly colored food be? Capsicum. Capsicum, scientifically known as Capsicum annuum, is a member of the Solanaceae family. Capsicums are referred to as bell peppers in the United States, shimla mirch in India, and peppers in the United Kingdom. Capsicums are native to northern Latin America and Mexico and come in a variety of colors including green, red, yellow, and orange. These varieties are not only delicious as a pizza topping or cooked as a vegetable, but they are also very healthy. Let us investigate some intriguing advantages of this vegetable. Nutritional value of capsicum. The nutritional components of capsicum are listed in the table below. It is high in vitamins, anthocyanins, flavonoids, phenolic acid, capsaicinoids, and carotenoids, among other phytochemicals. Energy, kcal/K, 26/111. Total carbohydrate 6.03 g. Dietary fiber 2.1 g. Protein 0.99 g. Total fat 0.30 g. Calcium 7 mg. Magnesium 12 mg. Phosphorus 26 mg. Potassium 718 mg. Sodium 4 mg. Vitamin C 127.7 mg. Niacin 0.9 mg. Pyridoxine 0.29 mg. Vitamin A 3131 IU. Vitamin K 4.9 micrograms. Vitamin E 1.58 mg. Properties of capsicum. It can act as an antioxidant. It may show antifungal properties. It may show anti-inflammatory properties. It can be an anti-diabetic agent. It might have anti-cancer action. It can act as a potential analgesic. It may be neuroprotective. It may also have an antibacterial action. It might have immunosuppressive properties. It might also have an immunostimulant action. 1. Capsicum aids in the improvement of eye health. Capsicum is extremely beneficial to eye health. Capsicums contain high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that protect the retina from oxidative damage. Because our eyes are directly exposed to oxygen and light, they can promote the growth of free radicals, which cause cell damage. These 2 carotenoids neutralize free radicals, protecting our eyes. According to research, eating foods high in carotenoids can protect your eyes from macular degeneration and blue light effects. 2. Capsicum prevents anemia. Anemia is a condition that is usually caused due to low iron in the body. A characteristic of the condition is that it reduces the amount of oxygen in your blood. As a result, most people with anemia feel sluggish and tired without a clear reason. Capsicum is very high in vitamin C and is also moderately high in iron. The combination of these 2 vitamins and minerals allows the iron to be absorbed by our bodies more effectively and thus increases the oxygen in the blood. 3. Capsicum reduces anxiety. Capsicum is high in both magnesium and vitamin B6. Studies show that these 2 vitamins are essential for nerve function and help relieve anxiety and prevent panic attacks. Another study reflects on magnesium and how it helps to ease tense muscles that result from anxiety. It also helps with proper heartbeat regulation. 4. Capsicum prevents cancer. Capsicum contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that have been shown to prevent certain types of cancers. The carotenoid lycopene present in capsicum has proven itself to be effective in lowering the risk of cervix, prostate, pancreas, and bladder cancer. In fact, orange capsicum has been found to cut prostate cancer growth rate by 75%. 5. Capsicum boosts immunity. Capsicum is very high in vitamin C. Red capsicum has the highest vitamin C content among most fruit and vegetables. Foods high in vitamin C are beneficial for the immune system. Vitamin C in capsicum can also protect the body against infection by encouraging the production of white blood cells. 6. Capsicum improves bone health. Capsicum is rich in manganese, a mineral that is a cofactor in the formation of bone cartilage and bone collagen and is essential for bone mineralization. The vitamin K in capsicum also plays a role in strengthening bones and protecting against osteoporosis. Capsicum weight loss advantages. Capsicum has an excellent nutritional profile for weight loss. Capsicums are high in fiber and water content, as well as vitamins and minerals. Choosing high-fiber, nutrient-dense vegetables and fruits is essential for weight management. Fiber and water also give you a feeling of fullness and can effectively suppress your appetite and keep you from overeating. Capsicum side effects. Some of the negative effects of capsicum consumption include: sensitive people are more likely to have allergic reactions. Excessive consumption of capsicum can cause stomach pain and gastric irritation. Sweating excessively and a runny nose. Have a wonderful day.